My husband and I have been using the countertop SimPure reverse osmosis water filter for several months, and we've been loving it. The difference in the taste of our tap water and the purified filtered water is markedly noticeable. So when the brand reached out to see if we'd be interested in trying their inline under the sink T2 model, we took a minute to decide if we wanted to tackle the installation or incur the cost of having a plumber install it for us. We decided to take the plunge, and once we received it, we took everything out and read over the instructions and determined we could take it on ourselves. The instructions are pretty clear, and there's also a 1-800 number you can call if you get stuck. By far, the most intimidating step was drilling a hole in our recently installed beautiful stainless steel sink. Some come with extra openings for just this type of thing, but ours did not. But my husband slowly and methodically drilled through the stainless steel with his most sturdy drill bits. It only needed about a 1/4 inch opening to fit the faucet piece through. Next, we tackled adding the wastewater tubing to the drain pipe. You have to make sure and add it above any P-traps or curves in the piping. The gasket and saddle clamp ensures there are no leaks once you add the red wastewater tubing. Adding the inlet valve was a simple addition of a screw-on shut-off valve, and we opted not to incorporate our refrigerator water and ice maker because we already had a filter set up with that. However, the instructions indicate a piece you can purchase at a hardware store if you want to combine the two together. We then needed to decide where we wanted to place the water filter under our sink, and we chose the right side wall for easier access for when we need to change out the filters. We drew a level line and used the included sticker for precise placement of the hang screws. Finally, we inserted all of the filters, and all we had left to do was connect the 1/4 inch tubing where they needed to go. Everything is clearly marked, and the tubes fit snugly by inserting them all the way into the black line and adding the small C-shaped locks to keep them securely in place. Once we confirmed there were no leaks, we ran the filter for the recommended 20 minutes to flush out any particles and get the filters working properly. All in all, the process took us 3 hours, which included filming, several trips back and forth to retrieve the right tools, and a small argument about just how this should go, which we quickly resolved. The T2 model surprisingly takes up little space under the sink with its low-profile shape. Just be sure to leave yourself enough space vertically to remove and replace the filters when the time comes. I'm so impressed with this system, and I love having delicious, clean, filtered water on demand for coffee, lemonade, pets, and a plain glass of drinking water. So check out this system if you're looking for the same, and you don't have to take on the installation yourself. Everything a professional plumber would need is included with the unit. It's well worth the time and money. I hope this overview and installation demo was helpful. Thanks for watching.